Hello everyone. We are going to start with insurance problems. You can go to exercise 2.1 of your government textbook, right? So now let us start solving the first problem. In question number 1 from your exercise 2.1, find the premium on a property worth rupees 25 lakhs at 3% if the property is fully insured, and second, the property is insured for 80% of its value. Okay, so the property value is given to you. We'll just write down property value is equal to rupees 25 lakhs. Okay, first part of the problem, property is fully insured. That means the policy value will be 100% of the property value. Okay, it's fully insured, right? Hence I'm taking 100%. So 100% of 25 lakhs, which is equal to rupees 25 lakhs. Fine. Now we are supposed to calculate premium for the first part of the problem. So premium is equal to rate of premium into policy value. So the rate of premium is given in the problem as 3% into policy value, which is 25 lakhs. We just calculated it. Okay. So you can just cancel the zeros over here, and 25 into 3, that is equal to 75, and the 3 zeros. Fine. So this is the premium for the first part of the problem. Let us go to the second part of the problem. Property is insured for 80% of its value. So policy value is equal to 80% of the property value. Okay, which is equal to 80 upon 100 into property value. So the property value is 25 lakhs. Okay, so you can cancel the zeros over here. Okay, 25 8 into 8, that is 200, and there are 4 zeros which are left. Okay, so the policy value is rupees 20 lakhs. Premium, will use the same formula, rate of premium into policy value. So the rate of premium is 3%, but then this time the policy value is 20 lakhs. Okay, so 3 upon 100 into 20 lakhs. Cancel the zeros. Fine. And this will give you to 60,000. Okay, the premium is calculated in this part as 60,000. Fine. Second problem, same exercise 2.1. Okay, so the shop is valued at 3,60,000. So the property value is equal to rupees 3,60,000. Okay, for 75% of its value. Okay, shop is valued at 3,60,000 for 75% of its value. So that indicates that the policy value is 75%. Okay, 75% of the property. So 75 upon 100 into 3,60,000. So you can cancel the zeros over here. 75 into 36. That calculation you will have to do. So this will be 2,70,000. Fine. So we got the policy value over here. Now first we have to calculate the premium paid by the owner. Okay, so premium is equal to rate of premium into policy value. Rate of premium given in this problem is 0.9%. Okay, into policy value. The policy value is 2,70,000. So this is 0.9 into 2,70,000. Zeros are getting cancelled. Then 0.9 can be written as 9 upon 10 into 2,700. So cancel the zeros over here. So if you calculate this, the answer will be 2430. Okay. So we got the premium as 2430. The customer pays the premium. The owner of the shop is the customer for the insurance company. The insurance policy is drawn by the sales agent or the insurance agent. So agent will definitely get the commission. So agent's commission is equal to rate of commission into premium. So the agent always gets commission on the premium. So the rate of commission in this particular problem is 15% of the premium. Premium is 2430. So 15 upon 100 into 2430. Zero zeros are getting cancelled. Okay, so you can multiply 15 into 243 and 243. Fine, let me make that particular calculation. 364 3645 upon 10, which is equal to rupees 364.5. Okay, so that was question number 2. Let us solve question number 3. Okay, a person insures his office valued at 5 lakh for 80% of its value. So the value of the office is 5 lakh. The property value is rupees 5 lakh. Okay, policy value. Policy value is 80% of the property value. It's given in the problem. So 80 upon 100 into 5 lakh, that is rupees 4 lakh. If you calculate this, you'll get rupees 4 lakh, right? So he pays 13,000 as the premium. So we need to find out the rate of premium. So premium is equal to rate of premium. Rate of premium is not given over here in this problem, into policy value. Premium is also always paid on the policy value. Okay, so premium value is given, that is 13,000. Rate of premium, let's take X%, and policy value is 4 lakh. So this will be 13,000 X upon 100 into 4 lakh. Okay, the zeros will get cancelled. Therefore, X is equal to 13,000 upon 4,000. Zeros will get cancelled. X is equal to 13 upon 4. So if you calculate 13 upon 4, right? If you calculate 13 upon 4, that will give you 3.25. Fine. So now what you have to mention, that the rate of premium, that you need to mention very clearly. The rate of premium is 3.25%. Okay, rate of premium is 3.25%. Ahead, they're also asking agent's commission. So agent's commission is equal to rate of commission into premium. Commission is always on the premium. Okay, for this particular chapter. So the rate of commission is 11%. The premium which is receiving, and it's clearly given in the problem, that's 13,000. So 11 upon 100 into 13,000. Cancel the two zeros. So rupees 1430. Right? So that was question number 3. Let us go to question number 4. Okay. A building is insured for 75% of its value. Okay, we don't know the value of the building. So let the property value be rupees X. Policy value, it is insured for 75% of the property, right? So policy value is equal to 75% of the property value. 75% of X, 75 upon 100, X, which is equal to 3x by 4. How 3x by 4? 25 threes are 25, 4s are, right? So that's rupees 3x by 4, I should say. Okay. The annual premium at 0.70% amounts to rupees 2625. So we'll write down the premium formula. Premium is equal to rate of premium into policy value. So premium is 2625. Rate of premium is 0.70% into policy value. The policy value is 3x by 4. Now you need to do this calculation very clearly. Okay. So 2625, 0.70 upon 100 into 3x by 4. So this percentage first I adjusted using by writing, upon 100, and this is 3x by 4. So 2625 into 100 into 4, okay, is equal to this. I'll write it as 70 upon 100 into 3x. See what I did is 104 I cross multiplied on the left hand side. Okay, then we are left with 0.70, which is written as 70 upon 100. 0 will get cancelled. So 2625 into 100 into 4 is equal to 7 into 3x. So x will be 2625 into 100 into 4 upon 7 into 3. Now, if you know the divisibility test of 3, is this number 2625 divisible by 3? So the addition of 2625, all these individual digits, will give you 15, which is divisible by 3. So 2625 is also divisible by 3. Okay, that's the divisibility test of 3. So what we have to do is we have to divide 2625 by 3. Okay, so that gives you 875. Okay, now check whether 875 goes in the table of 7. Okay, so 875 divided by 7. Yes, it's very much divisible. So 7 ones are and 7 125. So this will give you 125 into 4 into 100. Okay, so that is equal to 50,000. Correct. Okay. Yes, I think I guess I've missed out on something. Okay, so this particular 10, it will go on the left hand side. So there is one more 10 over here. Fine. Okay, I just forgot to write that particular value. So please excuse me for that. I'll just make those corrections. This 10, it will go on the left hand side. So into 10. Okay. So this will be into 10, right? And there will be one more zero added over here. So there will be three zeros, and 125 into 4 will be 500. So that's the value of X, which is the property value. Okay. The the building is damaged to the extent of 60% due to fire. Okay, so let's calculate damage. 60% of the property. See, damage always occurs in the property. So 60 upon 100 into property value. Property value we just calculated, that is equal to 5 lakh. Okay, so the zeros are getting cancelled. So this will be rupees 3 lakh, right? After damage, the customer has every right to, claim with the insurance company, right? So claim is equal to damage into policy value upon property value. So damage is 3 lakh. Policy value is nothing but, I'll take you back to the policy value. 3x by 4. 3x by 4 upon property value. Property value is x. Okay. Now what happens is you can cancel this x. You can also put the value of x as 5 lakh. We got the value of x earlier, right? Okay. So you can also put the value of x as 5 lakh. But then I'm just cancelling out this x over here. So this will be 3 lakh into 3 by 4. Okay. So this will be 3 lakh into 3 by 4. Okay, so let's calculate this. 3 lakh into 3, that will be 9 lakh. Okay, so the claim is equal to 9 lakh upon 4. So you have to reduce this. Okay, or you can directly divide as well. 2,25,000. So this is the value of the claim. Fine. Yeah, next one. Question number 5 from exercise 2.1. Stock worth rupees 7 lakh was insured for 4 lakh 50,000. So the property value is nothing but rupees 7 lakh. It was insured for. That means the policy value is rupees 4 lakh 50,000. Fire burnt stock worth rupees 3 lakh completely and damaged the remaining stock to the extent of 75% of its value. See, basically, guys, there are two losses which are happening over here. So we'll categorize the damage into two parts, loss 1 and loss 2. Loss 1 is equal to rupees 3 lakh. It's given in the problem. Fire burned stock worth rupees 3 lakh completely and damaged the remaining stock. So I'm giving a new word to that remaining stock, which is called as balance. Okay. Now, how to calculate this balance? See, out of 7 lakhs, 3 lakhs is already gone. So the balance will be property value minus loss 1. Okay. So the property value over here is 7 lakh. Loss 1 is 3 lakh. So this will be 4 lakhs. This is balance. Now, guys, tell me, after calculating balance, okay, is balance destroyed, okay, completely or only a certain percentage of it? For that, you need to read the problem. Damage stock, oh, sorry, damage the remaining stock to the extent of 75% of its value. So loss 2 is equal to 75% of remaining stock, and remaining stock is nothing but balance. So the remaining stock or balance is not destroyed 100%. It is only destroyed to the extent of 75%. So the balance is 4 lakh. Cancel the zeros over here. Okay. So 75 into 4, that will be 300. Okay, and three more zeros. So loss to is rupees 3 lakhs, right? Now total damage is equal to loss 1 plus loss 2. Loss 1 is of 3 lakhs. Okay, I'll take you to the previous slide. Loss 1 is 3 lakh and loss 2 is also 3 lakh. Okay, so 3 lakh plus 3 lakh, which is equal to rupees 6 lakhs. So that's the damage. Fine. Now claim is equal to damage into policy value upon property value. So the damage is 6 lakh, policy value. Policy value we already have written it over here in the problem. That's 4,50,000 and the policy value, property value is 7 lakh. So this is 4,50,000 upon 7 lakh. Okay, so you can cancel the zeros over here. 5 zeros and 5 zeros are gone over here. Okay, so 45 into 6, that is, I guess it's 270. Okay, into 4 more zeros upon 7. So this you have to divide up to 2 decimal places. Divide up to 3 and then divide up to 3 digits and round it up to 2. So 270 4 times 0. Okay, divided by 7. So that will give you 385,714.285. So I'll just write 29. Okay, so the answer is 385,74714. Fine. 0.285. So 285, I'm just writing it as 29. So that's the claim. Okay. Next problem. Let us go to question number 9. Okay. Property worth rupees 4 lakh is insured with 3 different companies. Exercise 2.1. Question number 9 I am solving right now. Okay. So the property is worth rupees 4 lakh. Property value rupees 4 lakh. Okay. But then now there are 3 different companies. The person is taking this insurance policy with 3 different companies. So company A, for company A, the insured value, that is the policy value, is rupees 1,60,000. It's given in the problem. Okay. Find the amount recoverable from each of the company. So from company A, okay, the damage over here is same for all the 3 companies. That is equal to rupees 9,000. Okay. So claim from company A is equal to damage into policy value upon property value. What is damage? Damage is 9,000 into policy value. Policy value is 1,60,000 upon property value. Property value is 4 lakh. Okay. So cancellation of all the zeros. 16 upon 4, that is 4. 4 9 are 36 and 2 more zeros. So from company A, the claim recoverable is 3 lakh is 3,600 rupees. Okay. Now the same calculation will do it for company B. Company B, okay, policy value Policy value is rupees 1 lakh. Okay. Then damage remains same, rupees 8,000. Sorry, rupees 9,000. Sorry for that. It's given in the problem. Okay. Then claim is equal to damage into policy value upon property value. So the damage is 9,000. Policy value is 1 lakh. The property value is also fixed, and that's given as 4 lakh. Okay. So cancel the zeros. 9,000 upon 4, which is equal to rupees 2250. Right? That was for company B. Now for company C, the policy value will be is 1,40,000. Damage is same. Okay. So this will be 9,000 into 1,40,000 upon 4 lakh. Right. So this is how you will calculate for company C, the claim for company C. Right. I'm not showing this calculation, but then I'm very sure that everybody has understood. Okay. Yeah. So for A and B, I have shown you. C, you can do it all by yourself. And while calculation of C, the property value and damage remain same. The only thing that changes is policy value and the final answer of claim. Now we are not supposed to add the claim of all the three companies because they are not asking us to do. Okay. Yeah. So that's it. So this was just a small start to the chapter. We'll proceed with the next set of problems in insurance in the next online session. Thank you.